Namaste everyone, how are you doing? This is Shifali and I hope all of you are taking good care of yourselves, going out only if it is necessary, wearing mask, using sanitizer at all times. Today's video is something which I had been waiting to deliver for long. But of course you would understand that picking up a good product which is worth every penny of yours or is affordable takes a little time, since I use these products on myself first for a month or so and then deliver it to you in a final review. So all those of you who are new to my channel, please spare a second and subscribe to it. Today I'll be showing you 5 hand creams that are absolutely amazing. Apart from being antibacterial, they are highly nourishing and made from natural ingredients. The best part is that these are all available on Amazon under 199 rupees. 2 of these creams that I'll be showing to you are absolutely paraben free, silicones and sulfates free. Though low in price, these have extremely effective formulas and have worked pretty well on my dry, rough hands. So let's begin the video, as I cannot wait any longer to share my wonderful experience that I had while using these products. I'll only be taking Amazon's name throughout this video because I shop most of my products from Amazon. These products could be available elsewhere also, like a drugstore, supermarket and other online shopping portals. So I'll start with most common brands, which are Vaseline and Charmis, and both have antibacterial formulas. Talking about Vaseline, the cream absorbs into your skin almost immediately and is not sticky at all. Apart from being highly moisturizing, it kills bacteria instantly. It has glycerin, vitamin E, neem, tulsi and some other Ayurvedic components. Talking about its consistency, it's pretty runny, as you can see, but it does have a refreshing aroma like cucumbers. So something that you find in creams or face washes that have cucumber as one of the ingredients, though this does not have cucumber. Priced at 160 rupees, you can get it at only 112 rupees on Amazon for 100 grams. Let's come to our next hand cream, which is from Charmis. Just like Vaseline, this is also quick absorbing and not sticky at all, apart from being antibacterial, which is exactly what we need in these times, as keeping our hands clean has become so integral to our lives now. This is a deep radiance formula with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, which keeps my hands so hydrating and nourished. Consistency is thick, coats my hands like wonders, smells heavenly. So retail price is 180 rupees for 150 grams. However, you can get it at somewhere about 126 rupees on Amazon right now. I think it's an excellent deal. So after Nivea, Charmis has become my preference now. But do let me know about your preferences also when it comes to hand creams, provided they are pocket friendly and highly nourishing. Coming on to our third antibacterial cream, which is not so common but super hydrating, from Tatsa. Again, this absorbs quickly and does not have an oily texture but works smoothly on your extremely dry, parched skin. Priced at 199 rupees for 50 grams of tube. I bought this at the same price from Amazon. This is made up from shea and cocoa butter and has jojoba ester also. This is suitable for all skin types. Talking about consistency, it's pretty thick. I use it as foot cream also. Price for this remains the same on Amazon right now, but I think it's absolutely worth it. You look at its consistency, you can use it not only as hand cream but foot cream also. Use it on your neck. Highly nourishing. This is so good. In fact, I think this is the best amongst the 5 creams that I'll be showing to you today. Next in my hand is Blossom Coach's Nourishing Hand Cream from her brand name Aroma Magic. This does not have antibacterial properties as compared to our former 3 hand creams, but have extremely effective hydrating properties and ingredients. This is packed with the goodness of all natural ingredients, for instance aloe vera gel, organic shea butter and natural beeswax. Other super ingredients include rosehip, carrot seed oil and geranium oil, which helps to nourish and heal your hands. The best part is that this does not have any chemicals, fragrance, alcohol, color, etc. Priced at 190 rupees, this is available on Amazon at 143 rupees for 50 grams. So talking about its consistency, It's pretty balanced, not so thick, neither so runny. Like that, so you can also use it as foot cream. I have found it extremely beneficial for dry hands. Last but not the least, I have Beautylo hand cream in my hands. This is an absolutely chemical free formula, does not have any parabens, sulfates and silicones. Just like Blossom Coach's hand cream, this is not an antibacterial formula, however is extremely nourishing and is best for your dry and rough hands. Again, this is a quick absorbing cream with vitamin C, shea butter, Moroccan argan oil. Apart from this, it has cocoa seed butter, jojoba oil, vitamin E, tomato extract, hibiscus, aloe vera extract, etc. This is dermatologically tested with so many benefits. The only drawback that I have found with this cream is its fragrance, which is pretty too much for me. However, again, if you are a fan of fruity smell, then this is for you. Priced at 275 rupees, this is available at 170 rupees on Amazon. With this, I'm wrapping up my today's video. I try to keep my videos as short as possible. However, covering all areas is also important. Stay tuned because there's going to be a lot more reviews and fun on my channel. I really hope that you liked watching my video. If that's so, please go ahead, give a thumbs up, share if you feel like, press the bell notification icon for the notification on my upcoming videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep smiling, stay beautiful. Bye-bye.